Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy alternative if you want to send any file from your Android to your iPhone or from your Android to computer or whichever device. So what you need to do is to simply install this application called Snapdrop. Now this is similar to AirDrop, however this works on any operating system to the next. So once you have it installed on your Android device, and I'm going to provide links in the description once more for these applications, so you could feel free to download any one of these applications. So as you can see, we have another variation of the app I have installed. I did not download mine from the Google Play Store, so that is why it's not showing installed. So without further ado, let's launch Snapdrop. So now, how you need to do to set this up. First, you need to enable your hotspot and you need to connect to that particular hotspot on your iPhone or whichever device you're trying to send the files to. So let's enable and let's connect to the hotspot. So this is my hotspot, Hack Squad. So as you can see here, the hotspot is connected. So let's launch Snapdrop and let's click on Let Me In Anyway. So what you need to do next is, so as you can see here, when you launch this and you are in the application, it automatically gives your device a name. So as you can see here, my device is Magenta Narwa. So you could customize, you could set a few settings. You could also set a custom base URL, which you should visit on the other device which you're trying to send or receive something from. You could also set your name, so the device name, so you could customize this and reset to basically anything. And down here you have a few about section for this application. So the theme which we set is dark, so let's set it to light for this demonstration. Well, let's set it back to dark and let's go back. So once we're in, what you need to do on the other device is go to your browser and you need to visit snapdrop.net. So as you can see here, the device is being displayed. Also send a message. So if you long press and type a message, so let's say hey, and let's click on send. Now as you can see here, the message has been received. You could long press over here and send a message as well. Let's just send. Okay, so now for the real meat of the matter, we are here to send files from your Android to iOS and vice versa. So if you want to send from your Android to your iPhone, you'd simply need to tap on the icon and it will launch your file manager. So you could basically select any file which you'd want to send. So let's select this particular file, and as you can see, the file began transferring instantly. So let's give that some time to complete, and as you can see, the file has been transferred. So we could click on the option here and simply add this file to our downloads. So let's long press on the file and simply add this to our photos, and the file will automatically be stored in our photos. So let's go back, or let's refresh the Snapdrop page. Now we are here again. So what we want to do now is to send a file from the iPhone to the Android. So let's tap on the iPhone, and as you can see, we have a few options here. We could select browse, which will browse the file manager. We could select photo library, or we could simply take a photo. So let's select photo library and we'll select any image from here to send to our Android. And once more, this is being sent through wireless, so it sends pretty fast. So let's select this image and let's click on add, and as you can see, the file has been transferred in an instant. So let's click on save, and as you can see, download it to our device instant. Now let's send a bigger file. We're going to send a video to our Android. So let's select this particular video which is 1 minute. So let's click on add. Now as you can see, it is transferring the video pretty fast. Now this all depends on the connection. Now as you can see, my connection icon or the Wi-Fi icon is getting full signal, so that is why this is sending pretty fast from my iPhone to the Android device. Now this can work with PC, with MacBooks, with literally anything that has access to the internet and can connect to a hotspot. This can work. So as you can see, the video has been transferred to my Android. I simply need to click on save, and as you can see, it will be saved in an instant. So as you can see, MP4 successful. So that is how you go about sending files from your Android to your iPhone, or from your iPhone to your Android within an instant. So if you found this tutorial useful, feel free to give this video a like and check out this application, Snapdrop. I'll be leaving a link in the description to this particular version of the application that I have. However, you could check on the Google Play Store if you could find this application to download. Now, it's not available on iPhone, it's simply an Android application. So feel free to give it a try. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this tutorial was informative and helpful to you guys out there who simply don't have iTunes or any other means to transfer files from one device to the next. So this is an easy alternative to do so. So once more, 777 out.